Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to tap on this S capture button. When this kind of menu appears, select record screen. Here you can select audio source. Here you can enable showing touch and gestures. So after tapping start and after this countdown, recording starts. So you just record anything you want. And when you're done, you just go to the upper bar here and tap stop. And after that, this recording will be saved to the gallery, to the movies section. Recording starts, so you just record anything you want. And when you're done, you just go to the upper bar. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, or perform any other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.